this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video, as you could tell, is for Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop, and I am going to use this beach. I think Going to the Beach is what it's called, but it'll be linked down below, cut file. Now, I am using all of Close to My Heart products. I decided to get out the Happy collection for the VIPs and use that collection on one of my daughter's favorite day. And I know that this is like going to the beach, but this is still kind of in that limbo style stage of the world that we were going in. So I brought the beach to them, like to her, just so that she can still enjoy like running around, having fun. This is in my backyard, but I got her a splash pad and some balls and all of that kind of stuff. And then she was just able to play in the backyard because of just, at the time, I think it was just a little crazy here in Georgia, and we just opt to stay home. So what I decided to do is that I took this dotted paper, and then I took two of my favorite Tim Holtz big stamps there that you see. One of them is just got like a bunch of lines that I used the black soot, which is the distress oxide, and then the other one is like a bunch of little dots, and I used antique something or another. It's antique something. And that's how I built the background for this. Now you'll see me kind of bring this back and forth so that I can add a bunch of this onto the background so it looks like you can see a bunch of, you know, like dirt and grime and that kind of stuff, because it's like they're going to the beach. So the papers that I used was the mixed in colors of like the last couple of sections for the background pieces. And then that very last piece there, that gray, that's kind of like the sand dune that you see on the bottom of it. I think that came from Stampin' Up, because I do use a lot of Stampin' Up paper, especially their 8.5 by 11 for like backing of cut files if I needed something solid, and then also to back my photos. A lot of times you'll see me pull the white and the black out, and that's where I get them from, is Close to My Heart, because they're really, I just like them. Unless, you know, I used Close to My Heart 12 by 12 in like my cut files and I have extra paper. You can see there off on the left hand side that that's like the extra paper I have, like say from this cut file, because I used it as black. Obviously I don't want to throw it away because I know I will pretty much use it on my background to like layer, you know, to give my pictures a little bit of a border. So inside this collection, I am going to pull out all of the stars and the little like asterisk looking ones from this collection. Now these here you can get as like itself. So I'll link all the pieces down below along with this. I will also link the Confessions of the Paper Addict cut file shop and this link to this particular cut file if you are looking to start to bring some summer back into your layouts, you know, because we just got off of December and, you know, some of us may be sick of snow by now. I'm in the middle of Georgia, so we were supposed to get snow as I did this voiceover, but it ended up staying completely rain, sleet, junk that we all hate. The snow didn't quite dip down, but we now have another cold front coming through, and yeah, so we'll see if we get some snow here. We do get snow, believe it or not. Where I live, we're kind of on that border of, are we going to get it, or are we just going to get the cold rainy junk? And it happens about every 7-ish years we get snow around here. We do, I promise you. So we'll see what happens. But here I am, I'm coming in. I did a bunch of little like arrows because, you know, like I'm pointing it to go to the beach, and she jumps around and does all this fun stuff. So I did kind of like this 1, 2, 3 with her photos, and I'm just adding a bunch of different arrows off of the sticker pack, along with this like banner that I wanted to like swing that we're going to the beach, and it matches the colors. Like, This collection matches her swimsuit perfectly, so that is why I'm using it. And now I'm just placing all these little black acrylic pieces. I think I actually use up all of them. Make sure that you go check out Confessions of the Paper Addict Facebook group. She always does a freebie in there before she puts it onto the shop, as you have to purchase it. Make sure you go check that out. Obviously, she releases new ones every month, and make sure you go check that out. I do know that we've got something fun coming up in March, because that is her anniversary to releasing all of her cut files. And so you want to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I am 70 subscribers, less than 70 subscribers away from 3,000. I would love to be able to hit it so I can give you guys my awesome, I've got like a really cool giveaway that I would like to do for my subscribers. So I'm hoping that I can get to that 3,000 subscriber giveaway and all of that fun stuff. I am less than 70. I think I need like 67 more subscribers. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. I would love to have you, and I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. So yeah, so then I take this and I'm pretty much done. I think I come in with some of my gold splatters. Oh, yep, I do. And then that is it. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. Make sure you go check out Confessions. I will link everything down below that I've used, along with my close to my heart information, all of that stuff. I do the doodling around the edge. You'll see me come in with that. Still shots are definitely coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe. I hope that you guys are all staying safe, stay warm, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.